Alright, what's up guys? So in this video I'm gonna be about to take off from 10 knots to 300 knots. That's a small catch. So if I can't abort the takeoff in the runway, I have to eat a big spoon of a giant spoon of mayonnaise. Alright, starting with 10 knots. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 10 parking brakes. And there we go. Stop, stop that. Alright guys, 15 knots is the same. So let's pull power. So 70, 80, 45, 46 and 50, 50. Alright, so we are still moving, let's slowing down. And there we go. Alright, next is 100 knots. So let's pull power. Okay, so if you guys haven't subscribed already, please subscribe, like, comment, it helps me a lot. So yeah, and please don't unsubscribe. So 60, I'm gonna lower the power a bit so I can control this. 90, 92, 93, 95, 98, 100 parking brakes. So we are still moving fast. So that's the end of the runway right there, you can see. Oh, this is a good runway though. Alright, we are halfway slowed down. And we came to full stop. Alright guys, 150 knots, no point of return, so let's go. I have no hopes over this. And so we are crossing in 40, 50 parking brakes. Okay, we are, oh no, we are not gonna make it. We are not, okay. You're still on. So I might go. Yeah, we are really slow. And 0 now. Alright, this is what you have been all waiting for. 300 flipping, sahooring, fishing knots. So here we go. Known as possible, right, as you can see. Oh, that's not the yoke. So as you can see, now the stick. I'm putting the stick as possible, so the player won't take off. But it's oh no. Shit. We are not even no, we are dead. Bruh. Still, I'm just gonna continue. I think we just crossed 911. Alright guys. So here's the mayonnaise. The spoon. Oh my god, that's... why did I try to do this? For good content, I guess. Yeah, not for guy. Got good fun content. That's it for today's video. So see ya guys, subscribe, and that was pure disgusting. Please subscribe. Bye. See ya.